How to add spinning wheel in your Shopify store without coding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create spinning wheel in your Shopify store without coding. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the online store here. You can click on it. And then in the online store page, you can navigate to the edit theme here, click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. As you can see, this is my website editor. So let's say I want to add the spinning wheel here. So I'm gonna click add section here in the sidebar in the template page. You can click add section, and then we're gonna find custom liquid. So you can type custom, and you will find custom liquid. You can click on it, and then you can name it maybe spinning wheel, and then you can put the code. So in order to get the code, you can go to offsite.com, and then you can sign up for an account. After that, you can click explore widgets here. After that, in the widgets page, you can navigate to the e-commerce here in the categories. And then you will find spinning wheel. You can click on it. And as you can see, you can create widget for free. Click on it. And now you can choose the template or the style. So you have a lot of option here. So you can choose whatever you want. So let's say I want maybe this one. I think it's good. So you can just click continue. And then you can set it up, the heading, the description, the description here. And also some other settings here. You can just customize it, can set it up here. After that, you can just click edit, add to the page. And this is the preview. So if you think all good, you can just click publish. And now you can choose the plan, I'm gonna choose the free one. You can select it. Then you can just click copy code. After that, you can go back to the website editor and then you can paste the code here. And you can wait for a few seconds until it appears in your website editor. And it's done. As you can see, this is the result. It's perfect. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.